Hello, my dear students. Before class, we have discussed about the linear inequalities. Whenever the solution of the linear equations have the two variables. Okay. Now, whenever the before class already I explained one linear equation was given, two linear equations was given. Now today class I have discussed about the two linear equations, more than two linear equations. Okay, it is very important topic. Already before class I explained, first strictly compulsory, whenever the equations, one equation was given or two equation was given, whatever may be, must first and should strictly will take the equations. First step, first what are the linear, first you write the what are the given equations, first you write the given equations. What are the given equations, my dear students? Given equations are x greater than or equal to 3 and y greater than or equal to. What the first step is going on? Let us consider equations. Let us consider the equations. What are the equations is going on means x is equal to 3, this is equation number 1, y is equal to. After that, for suppose it is a single variable, this is also single. You know that x is equal to 3 means vertical line at a distance of 3 units right side. Positive is there, okay, from origin to right side. Y is equal to means above the x axis. Draw the graph first, okay. No need find the x value 0, y value 0, but because here only given the single variable is given, directly equations are given. Okay, now we will draw the graph. Now we will take the x axis, the equation of the x axis y equal to 0. Now we will take the y axis, the equation of the y axis x equal to 0. This is origin 0 comma 0. What is given, my dear students? Now x is equal to 3. Here for suppose 0, here 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Y value for suppose 1, 2. Now draw the equations. Now here x is equal to 3 means vertical line. X is equal to 3 is vertical line. Draw the vertical line parallel to 100% y axis at a distance of 3 units. Now next we draw the observe that, okay, y is equal to, y is equal to means horizontal line at a distance of, this line is 100% x is equal to 3, this line 100% y is equal to general equation, but given is inequations. Here in this one, the for suppose this is x is equal to 3, we will take it is divided two parts. Y equal to means it is divided two parts. One is the towards the origin, other one is the above the origin. How to discuss the condition? Now condition is satisfied towards the origin, condition is not satisfied means above the origin, my dear students. Observe that clearly. Here now verification is going on towards the origin or above the origin. Here x greater than or equal to 3 is given, y greater than or equal to is given. Here you have substitute x equal 0 and y equal 0. X value 0 substitute for suppose what happened, x value for suppose 0. Now 0 greater than or equal to 3. It is true, false statement means x is equal to 3 towards the origin is not possible means above the origin. Above the origin means here in this way. Here observe that above the origin. Now we draw the above the origin. Okay, my dear students, in this way. Next, now here you substitute y greater, y value 0 for suppose. Here this is the linear equation in single variable one. Okay, 0 greater than 2. It is also not satisfied means not towards the origin, above the origin. Y. Okay, my dear, so this one observe that not satisfied. Okay, now y greater than above the origin, not towards the origin, above the origin, my dear students. Now in this way we will take the, now you take the means other sketch or whatever may be clearly visible. Okay, here observe that, here in this way. Here the intersection point of both green lines and black lines. Okay, this is the intersection point. This is called the solution of the given. This is point of intersection 100%. The distance is 3, the distance is 2 means 100%. This is 3 comma 2. Okay, now what is the solution region? This part is called solution, the shaded region of, okay, The shaded region is called solution region. The shaded region is called the solution for given linear inequalities. Okay, in this way we will complete the problems. Okay, my dear students, observe that the next question. Here three equations are given. Don't tense. Simple the process. First, we will take the inequations as the strictly equations. After that, in this one x0, what about y value, y0, x value, you tabular forms. After that, towards the origin or above the origin condition, whenever you substitute the 0 comma 0, the condition was satisfied or not. Okay, these three steps we will remember, my dear students. Now what is the going on here? First step, let us consider the equations strictly. Okay, what happened? 2x plus y is equal to 4, x plus y is equal to 3, 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. For graph purpose, what about the values of x and y? Simply we will take this one. This is, for suppose, x value, this is y value. x0, for suppose x0, what is the y value? For suppose y0, what about x value? Okay. Now in this one x0, what happened here? Observe that x0 means y value 100% 4. y0, here observe that y0, 2x is equal to 4 means x is equal to 4 by 2 means 2. I hope that understood. Okay, now here observe that clearly. In this one also same way, x, y, x0, y0. x0 means y3, y0 means x must and should 3. Okay, my dear students. Now here you are going to in this way, same way, x, y. X value, for suppose x value 0, what happened? Y value 0. X value 0 means minus 3y is equal to 6, y equal to minus 6 by 3 means minus 2. For suppose y value 0 means 2x is equal to 6 means x value is equal to 3. Okay, my dear students. After that, this is the these points for the graph purpose. Okay, completed. Now we are going to the second step. This is the equations are the, this is first equation, this is second, this is first equation, this is second equation, this is third equation. Whenever the inequations was given, we will take the equation. That is the first step. Second step is find the points on x-axis and y-axis. These are the points on the x-axis and y-axis. This is second step. Okay, my dear students. Now third step, what is going on? The condition is true or false, means towards the origin or above the origin. Now substitute in this one. Here given clearly 2x plus y greater than or equal to 4. Now substitute 0 comma 0. What happened? Origin substitute 0 comma 0, substitute 0 comma 0, substitute in given equations. Here you also write the to find the points on x and y axis respectively. Okay, here write down, no problem. Okay, 0 comma 0 substitute in the given inequations, not equations, inequations. What happened, my dear students? Here x0 means 2 into 0, 0 plus 0, 0 greater than or equal to 4. It is false, means towards the origin not. Okay, my dear students. For suppose x plus y less than or equal to 3, 0 plus 0, 0 less than or equal to 3. Yes, this is true. Condition is true. Okay, means towards the origin. It is not. Now 2x minus 3y is less than or equal to 6. Okay, I hope that you understood. X value 0, y value 0 less than or equal to 6. This is also true. These two lines, these two inequations toward the origin, this is above the origin. Now draw the graph simply. Okay, simply, easily we will draw. Don't tense. Okay, my dear students. Simply. Now I will take the another shaded region. Okay, now this is graph part is important. Now you find out the shaded region. What is the shaded? This is 0. Now the maximum values on x-axis is 3, on y-axis is 4 minus 2. Here that's why this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, my dear friends. Now on y-axis is 100%. On y-axis is 100%. What happened, my dear friends? On y-axis 100%, my dear students, This is 1 2 3. Okay, downside -1 -2. Simply first here, simply observe that x by 2, 0 comma 4, you know very well. Okay, 0, first point is 0 comma 4, x value 0, y value 4. Okay, y value 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, no problem at all. You will take this one, this point. For suppose a, this is 0 comma 4, you will take. Okay, a 0 comma 4, my dear students. Okay, what happened next one? A 0 comma 4. Next, that is b 2 comma 0. Here 2 comma 0. This is 2 comma 0. Now joining these points, my dear students, what happened? Clearly, I think I hope that you understood or not. Yes, joining these points. Now here the first inequality is one. Condition is satisfied or not? Not satisfied. Means 100%. You draw the means the shaded region is 100% above the origin, not this side. Okay, above the origin. In this way we draw the graph simply. In the examination point of view also we will draw the graphs by using the sketches. It is very interesting way. Okay, next we are consider the second one. What the second one is going on? Second one is going on 3 comma 0, 0 comma 3 and 3 comma 0. Observe that is C point. This is 3 comma 0. C, this point is I think 3 comma 0. This point is 0 comma, this is for suppose D 0 comma 3. Now joining these 2 points, my dear students, 100% joining these 2 points. Don't confuse. Okay, joining these 2 points. Okay, my dear students, in this way join. Okay, here 100% observe that here true means towards the origin. Towards the origin means here in this way. Now draw the graph in this way, towards the origin, 100% towards the origin. The graph is going on towards the origin. I hope that you understood or not. Next, last one. What the last one is going on? Last one is here 0 comma -2. 0 comma -2 here, this one. For suppose this is point is 0 comma -2. This is, yes my dear friend, 0 comma -2. What happened this one? 0 comma -2 means 100% here A B C D. Okay, this point is D, A B C D E point. Okay, 0 comma -2. Next one 3 comma 0. Where is the 3 comma 0? This point, 100% this point. Okay, my dear students, now joining this one. Now what happened this one? Observe that the condition is satisfied. Condition is satisfied means towards the origin. Towards the origin means in this way. Observe that, my dear friends, simple technique and towards the origin here in this one. Okay, here towards the origin. Okay, here no problem at all. Okay, here where the 3 lines are mixing, you observe that 3 curves and 3 lines. Where here observe clearly where the 3 lines are mixing, this portion. Clearly observe that what is the portion is going on, 3 lines. This line, this line and this line, this portion. Yeah, 100% this portion, this one. Clearly observe that 100% this portion is occurs. This portion, 3 lines are intersecting in the same place. This is called, for suppose this point is okay, we know that what the point is going on here. Okay, okay my dear students, this is 3 comma 0. You don't know this point. Okay, we'll find this point versus point of intersection of these 2 lines. For suppose this is A, G or something S. Okay, this shaded region is called the solution of the given inequalities. In this way we will find the inequations. How many equations, what are the equations was given, that is no problem at all. Just simply draw the graph and we find out the common region. This is the shaded region is called the solution region. The shaded region is called solution region of these 3 curves. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you understood or not. Yes. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the another important question. It is very important question, my dear friends. This question means asked number of times in half yearly exams or final exam purpose. Please practice this question. A solution of 8% of boric acid is to be diluted by a solution of 8% of the boric acid is to be diluted by adding a 2% of boric acid solution. Means you will add another 2% of the basic boric acid solution. Actually, we have the 8% of boric acid is there, but extra we will add the 2% of boric acid solution. Okay, my dear friends, you observe that clearly. 2% of boric acid we added. The resulting mixture is to be more than 4%. The resulting mixture is to be more than 4%. But here more the resulting mixture is what the resulting mixture for suppose the resulting mixture is to be more than 6% but less than 6% of the boric acid. We have the 640 liters of the head. Actually total we have 640 liters. Now 2% is boric acid solution is adding. That is the how many liters we will add? 2% is added. That is x liters. Now total solution what happened? 640 plus x liters. Now the 2% of the boric acid added. In how many liters we will add it, we don't know. That's why the x liters of water will add of the 8%. How many liters of the 2% solution will be have to be added? How many liters of the means that is the x liters. Okay, what happened? Now let the here 2% of boric acid solution is to be added. How many liters added? You don't know. That is how many liters of the 2% solution will be added. That is let the 2% of boric acid solution, how many liters? Be x liter. We don't know how many liters added. We don't know. That is the finding is that one. Now if total mixture is equal how much? Mixture is equal actually 640 liters of the 8% solution, but we add the 2% of boric acid. That is how many liters? We don't know. That is x liters. Mixture is equal to 640 plus x liters. In this one, what is according the question? This is the total. If you take the resulting mixture is to be the more than 4%. Says are though more than 4% but less than the 6%. What are the conditions is going on? In this one more than 4% means 2% of boric acid is 4%. 640 liters is 100% 4% more than the total also 100% more than. That is the important. Okay. Now according to the question 100%. How many here? 2% of the x liters, 8% of the 640 liters, and 640 plus x liters, 4% of this one, more than 4%. Okay. Now according to the question, what happened, my dear students? Observe that now 2% of the boric, here in this one mixture is 100% contains the 2% of the boric acid. How many liters we don't know. Now 8% of the this one in this one. Okay, this is 100%. How much is greater? 640 plus x 100% greater than 4%. Okay, it will occurs now 2% of how many liters we don't know x and 8% of 640 is more than 4%. 4% of 640 plus x. This is the first condition. Now second one also less than 6%. Same 2% of x, 8% of 640 less than. Okay. Now we will take the first we will calculate this one. 2% of x means 2 by 100 into x plus 8% of means 8 by 100 into 640 is greater than 4 by 100 into 640 plus x. I hope that in this one each and every here plus is no problem. Here each and every term has the 100 100 100. Must should you cancel the 100. No problem at all. Okay. Now 2x plus 8 into 640 is greater than 4 into 640 plus x. Now after that we both side divide with I hope that okay 2 also, no problem at all. Okay, otherwise 2x, okay, plus 8 into 640 is greater than 4 into 640 is greater than, sorry, plus 4 into x. Okay, my dear students. Now what happened? Now just a simple calculation is going on here, greater than. Now this 4x is this side, this term is this side, no problem. 2x minus 4x is greater than 4 into 640 minus 8 into 640. Have that understood or not? Yes. 2x minus 4x means minus 2x is greater than 640 taken common here. 4 minus 8, that is minus 4. Now divide by minus 2. Whenever, already explained, whenever multiplying divide by the negative sign, 100% symbol must be changed. Divide by minus 2. Minus 2x by minus 2 means x less than, minus 2 cancel here, 640 into minus 4 by minus 2. Now x less than, here minus cancel, 2 ones are 2 2s are, that is called 1280. X less than 1280 means the liters, how many 2% of boric acid solution be x liter means 1280, less than 1280 liters. Now the second condition is going on. What the second condition is going on, my dear students? Observe that same condition here, less than 6% means 2% of the boric acid of the, how many liters you don't know, x liters. Next 640, 8% of the, if you have the 640 liters of the 8% solution, okay, 8% of 640 is less than, total means this one. How much less than is clearly is given. What is the given? Resulting means to more than 4%, less than the 6%. Okay, in the same way here we take 6% is enough. According to the question, this is equation number 1 considered as. Now again according to the question, what happened, my students? 2% of x liters you don't know, plus clearly is given 8% of 640 is given, less than 6% of 640 plus x, less than. Before problem is greater than, now 100% it is less than. What happened? Same way here 100%, my dear students, 2 by 100, 100% cancel, 2 by 100 into x, 8 by 100 into 640, 6 by 100 into, okay, now directly write as 2x plus 8 into 640 is less than 6 into 640 plus x. Now 2x plus, here by 100 by 100 by 100, total cancel, my dear students. 8 into 640 less than 6 into 640 plus 6x. Now 6x this side, what happened? 2x minus 6x less than, this is this side, 6 into 640 minus 8 into 640. Don't multiply each end. This is minus 4x less than, taken common 640, 6 minus 8 means minus 2. Both sides divide with minus 4. Whenever we divide the negative value 100%, the symbol will be changed. Minus 4x by minus 4, x is greater than 640 into minus 2 by minus 4. Now x greater than, here 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 ones are 320, x greater than 320. Okay, my dear students. Now this is equation number 2 from 1 and 2. First equation, what happened here? Once again we will see x less than 1280. Here x greater than 320. That means greater than 320. 320 less than, x less than 1280. Therefore x belongs to open interval 320 comma 1280. Okay, my dear students. Therefore how much you added the 2% of boric acid means in between this one. The number of liters to be added should be greater than 320 liters and less than 1280 liters. Okay. Therefore how much you will added? Therefore the number of liters to be added should be greater than 320 liters, less than 1280 liters. How much percentage? 2% of boric acid, how many liters should be added? Means more than 320 liters and less than 1280 liters. This is the problem, my dear students. Okay. Next, we are going to the next problem. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the another most important question for examination point of view. Okay. IQ, intelligence quotient of a person, is given by the formula. IQ is equal to mental age by chronicle age into 100. Okay, what is the meaning of the chronicle age? Means from birth to here, how many years are there? Okay, MA is the mental age, CA is the chronicle age. If 80 less than, IQ less than 140, intelligence quotient is 80 to 140 for a group of 12 years of old children. Means from birth to 12 years, means this is the chronicle age given. Then find their mental age. Now what is given, my dear students? What is the given condition clearly? 80 less than or equal to, IQ less than or equal to 140 clearly is given. But 80 less than or equal to, IQ is clearly mentioned, MA by CA into 100 less than or equal to 140. In this one clearly CA means chronicle age, means from birth to this year. Suppose your age 18 years means 0 to 18 years means that is called considered CA, chronicle age. That is 12 years is clearly is given. Now 80 less than or equal to MA, you will find the MA by CA means 12 into 100 less than or equal to 140. Now both sides multiplying with 12. Our goal is we find the MA. Here 100 by 12 is there. 100 by 12, both sides divided with 12 by 100. It is easy. Okay, 100 by 12 means, now both sides divided with 12 by 100. What happened, my dear students? 80 into 12 by 100 less than or equal to MA by 12 into 100. Now multiplying with each and every term, 12 by 100 less than or equal to 140 into 12 by 100. Okay, my dear students, here 12 cancel, 100 cancel. What happened? This one 8 cancel. Next step, 2 4s are 2 5s are. Okay, my dear students, 12 4s are 48 by 5 less than or equal to MA less than or equal to, here also less than or equal to 0 cancel. Here 5s are 7s are. 12 7s are how much? 84 by 5. What happened? 48 by 5 means 9 point something, sorry, 5 9s are 45, 30, 9.6 less than or equal to MA less than or equal to 5 1s are 5, 6. Okay, 5 1s are 5 means 34, 5 6 are 30.8, 16.8. Therefore MA mental age is belongs to 9.6 comma 16.8. In this age the mental age occurs. Okay, my dear students, hence the mental age greater than 9.6 years and less than the 16.8, including also this one and this one. This is the solution for this problem. Okay, thank you one and all. Okay, meet again the next class. We will meet again the next class.